Hello everyone, welcome to English for competitive exams and also academic exams. Parts of the speech we have seen in the last class, that was the first class. Now parts of the speech, as I told you, each and every parts of the speech I am going to take in depth. Today we will see only the noun. Noun means that name or place or any kind of thing that we say it as a noun. This is common definition of a noun, right? So, but there are different types of noun. You have to go in depth if you want to succeed in any kind of competitive exams. You have to go in depth. So, anyway, today we are going to see the class in depth. Before going to the class, I would request you all, if you like these classes, please hit the bell icon and also write your comments in the comment box. Don't forget to share these videos, because with lot of energy and time I am preparing this video especially for you all at the rate free of cost. Now coming to the noun, what is noun? A definition, simple definition you can just remember. A noun is a word used as the name of a person. First thing is that name of a person or place, name of a place, name of a thing, right? Person, place, thing. This we say it as a noun. For example, I am taking here Varun. Varun is the name of a person. Monica also name of a person. Now Hyderabad. Hyderabad is here name of a place. Hyderabad, New Delhi, New London, New Jersey, New York, all these things, and even India, United States, Arab, Sri Lanka, all these things are places, name of the place, right? In the same way, next name of the thing. I have taken here one example, that is car. Not only car, you can take anything. Marker, okay, and pointer, board, fridge, TV, fan, and pot, what not, everything. Name of a thing, right? These three things we say it as a noun. This is not enough. You must learn what types of nouns are there. There are total 6 types of nouns are there. Types of nouns. First one is that concrete nouns. Remember, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, okay, proper noun, collective nouns, and countable and uncountable nouns. Total 6 types of nouns are there, and each and every noun we are going to study in depth. Rather than a board, I will show you through a slides, so that would be much visible and it goes directly inside of your mind. And every video, as I told you, will have exercise and also quiz. Please focus seriously, learn the exercises and also attempt the quiz. Write your answers in the comment box. Are you ready? Let's get into the topic. In types of nouns, first one is concrete noun. Concrete noun means simply you can say that where you will find a real physical existence. That is concrete noun. Physical things that you can see, touch, this kind of things we can say it as a concrete noun. If you see how we can say and what is the definition, means a concrete noun refers to a physical object in the real world that you can see, touch, such as examples you can take a dog, a ball, a pen, a car, or an ice cream. All these things you can see, you can touch, right? So this kind of things we can say it as a concrete nouns. And the second one is quite opposite to this concrete noun. Second one is an abstract noun. Abstract noun, what is abstract means? Which you cannot see. Concrete noun was physical existence. Here no physical existence you can say, just feelings which you can feel it, that kind of things we can say it as an abstract noun. If you see the definition, an abstract noun refers to that which our senses cannot touch. No physical existence. An abstract noun is usually the name of quality, action or state. These three are based on the abstract noun. Quality means you can take an example like goodness, kindness, darkness, honesty, wisdom and bravery, etc. Action, laughter, some kind of movements like action, laughter, theft, movement, judgment and hatred. This kind of actions also we say it as a abstract nouns. And the third one is that state, particular state of that situation. childhood, like childhood, youth, slavery, sleep, sickness, death, and poverty, etc. So all these things we can say it as a abstract nouns which you cannot touch. Our senses cannot touch these kind of things. And the third one is that common noun. Common noun means we are not going to take any particular person. No name. Generally, it is noun is given to common people. Common. We are not going to take particular person, particular thing. In fact, you can say it as a common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Uh, in other words, also you can say it as a common noun is written in small letters only, unless it is either begins in a sentence or appears in a title. If it is a beginning of any sentence, then we'll take it as a capital letter. If it is a title, then we'll take capital letter. Otherwise, common noun will never capitalize it. Okay. Now, common noun example: men. Men means many people, many men. Okay, many people. Women, many. But we are not particularly saying that Gopal or Sita or Ravi. So this kind of particularly we are not saying men, general. Okay, woman, teacher, maybe any teacher. Cats, dogs, love, state. State means particular state we are not saying. City. City also we are not saying any particular city. General. So this kind of things we can say it as a common noun. And next fourth one is here proper noun. This is quite opposite to common noun. Proper noun. Proper noun means it is the name of particular person or place. In common noun, no name to the particular person or place. Here we have that particular person or place name. Example, through an example you get a good understanding. The first example is here. Sita is a good girl. Sita is a good girl. Now here Sita, girl. Two nouns are there. Sita is here proper noun because particularly a particular girl, Sita. Sita we are talking about Sita. So that is proper noun. Girl can be anyone. So girl is here common noun. Second one, Delhi is a big city. Delhi and city both are nouns. Delhi is here proper noun because particular city we are talking. Which city is Delhi? So that's proper noun. And second one, that is city. City means it can be anything. So that is why that is common noun. If you are clear, try this third sentence. You have to try, take a pause and try. Let me read this. All teachers were present yesterday except Radheshyam sir. All teachers were present yesterday except Radheshyam sir. So here two nouns are there. Identify. And what are those nouns? One is here teachers. Second one is Radheshyam sir. Teachers is here not particularly any teacher. Okay, it's common. So that is why teachers is here common noun. Radheshyam sir. Particularly we are talking about Radheshyam sir. So this is proper noun. Got it? Good. Now fifth one, collective noun. What is this collective noun? Collective noun means nothing but simply remember a collection of people, group of people. Okay, so that is collective noun. In a sentence, if you want to speak, collective noun is the name of a number of persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole as. Group of people we are taking and when we are talking about those group of people, that is collective noun. Example, crowd. Crowd means many people are there. Mob, team, army, family, nation, parliament and committee. So these are all collective nouns. Means in all these examples, people are there, many people are there. But together when we are talking, that is collective noun. Important, please remember this. Now sixth one, important and interesting noun, that is countable and uncountable noun. The name itself is saying that countable noun means the noun whatever is given that we can count it, countable. And uncountable noun where we cannot count it. Now when you see about countable nouns are the names of objects, people, etc. that we can count. Say example, books, pens, apples, boys, brothers, doctors, cats, pens, etc. So all these things are countable. So suppose say I have 10 books, that's countable. Pens also, how many are there? Countable. And here one thing you have to remember, plural forms like, we can use plural forms like books, pens, apples, all these things are possible in countable nouns. Whereas in uncountable nouns, what is uncountable nouns means? Which cannot be countable. Uncountable nouns are the names of things which we cannot count. Through an example you get a good understanding. Example like milk. Can you count milk? No, not possible. You can measure it but you cannot count it. Oil, sugar, gold, rice, honesty also, can't count it. So all these things are uncountable nouns. Now here remember, no plural forms to the uncountable nouns like milks, oils, sugars, golds, rice, honesties. So no S, no plural forms to the uncountable nouns. And when you talk about countable nouns, how we can ask a question? Generally we say how many books are there, how many pens are there, okay? And whereas in uncountable nouns, how do we ask the question? So how much you have, how much milk you want, how much sugar you need, how much gold you have. So this kind of questions we ask in uncountable nouns. Clear? So let's have a quick revision of these nouns. The first one is concrete noun. Concrete noun means nothing but really physical existence is there where you can see and touch it. And whereas abstract noun with no physical existence, opposite to the concrete noun. No physical existence, only feelings like truth, love, honesty, courage, such kind of things we can say it as abstract noun. Now common noun. Common noun is here names given to the common people, like what we have discussed, like teachers, women, men, common. Country, city, common noun. Proper noun. Proper noun is name of a particular people or place or thing. We have discussed a lot of proper nouns like Devika is proper noun, India, Google, any particular thing, that is proper noun. Fifth one, collective noun. Collective noun means collection or group of people. Okay, we have discussed about team, workers, students, bunch of bananas, bunch of grapes. Okay, collective noun. And last one, countable, uncountable noun. So that just now we have seen countable is which we can count, and uncountable like sugar and coffee, all these things are. So got an understanding about revision of this all these nouns? If you are thorough, let's go for few exercise. First, the exercise. Be careful, slowly understand it. If you have all the nouns properly, 6 types of nouns, if you have command, then it will be easy for you to understand. First one, see, the crowd was very huge in LB Stadium yesterday. Here 2 nouns are there, crowd and LB Stadium. Crowd is here collective noun, collective group of people na crowd. So this is collective noun. And LB Stadium is particular place, that's a proper noun. Are you getting it? Next, second one, try this. Never tell a lie. Lie, can you touch it? No. So lie is an abstract noun. Never tell a lie. Lie is abstract noun. Third one, always speak the truth. Truth also we cannot touch, right? So truth is also an abstract noun. Fourth one, the soldiers were rewarded for their bravery. The soldiers were rewarded for their bravery. Here two nouns are there, soldiers and bravery. Soldiers means in general we are saying. So that is why soldiers is a common noun. Okay, common noun, not a collective noun. Collective noun army comes. Soldiers is a common. Collective is army, group of people. So soldiers is common noun. Bravery, this is also which we cannot touch. So feelings, na? So this is abstract noun. Fifth one, be careful. Hyderabad Public School is one of the best school in Hyderabad. Three nouns are there. Hyderabad Public School is a noun, school is noun, and Hyderabad. Three nouns are there. When we talk about any particular place like Hyderabad Public School and third noun Hyderabad, these two are particularly we are talking. So these two are proper nouns. And middle one, school. School means general. So that is common noun. Am I clear? If you understand this exercise, then you'll have a quiz or test. Identify these nouns of the following sentences. 5 questions are given to you. Actually, I have identified these nouns in red color. You have to identify what type of noun. You need to write it in the comment box, your answers, and check your answers with my answers, which is given in the description box. Then later you can write even your score also, out of 5 how much you got it. Now let me read these 5 sentences. The first one is, the elephant has great strength. Elephant, strength. What type of nouns? Second one, I believe in his innocence. Innocence. Third one, our team won the cricket match in final. Team. What type of noun? Next, fourth one, he gave me a bunch of grapes. Bunch of grapes. Okay. And fifth one, a committee of 5 was appointed. So here committee. Identify this, write it in the comment box, check out your answers. And by the way, for all such kind of learnings like competitive exams point of view, academic exams point of view, whatever I have started this series, please keep a separate book, write everything whatever you are learning in this series, prepare notes with your handwriting, and keep on referring and exercises. Whatever I am doing it, please do it 2 to 3 times and write the test. Practice it more times. The more you practice it, you'll become more perfect. You never forget in your life. Okay. So practice well. By the way, and whenever you are coming to such kind of classes, please focus on the class and do refer this channel or classes to some other people who wants to learn English properly. So stay connected, practice well, have a bright career. Good luck.